So I'm testing some apps that I've been working on. Some completed, 2 completed, 3, 4 completed. One of them, 2 of them are right here. One is called Deluxe Photo Editor. One is called Miss B Social Browser. And then I have Telegram for WhatsApp right here. Then I have Friends Like You My. So, for the teens, is that maybe watching this social Barbie browser is kind of fun. So it's pretty basic. It's nothing sophisticated. You have your Play Store, Twitter, Telegram, VK, Facebook, and YouTube. And there's default pages loaded, but it will take you to whatever it was the default page for that. Now there's no side menu, but you can customize it on the right swipe. So I just want to change the theming. Let's change it to green, orange, pink, blue. Well, it is themed pink, so we'll just leave it there for now. So let's see, Telegram official. I wonder if it will let me log in or even load, because this is supposed to be a browser. So but if I type Bing, of course it's going to load text. Now do you see? Now it's in the mobile site, but there is JavaScript must be broken. See, it's broken because it has not been through AppGeyser. This is just after I made it, and then they haven't gone through it completely. So there are some broken features, but if I type Google, there's your browser. There's my Instagram. Now this is just default pops up in the social browser. Remember, it is a Android app. It's this little app right here for teens, for like Likey is another one that I haven't. Well, I have a Likey app. I forgot about that. Here it is. Friends Like You My. This is my unofficial Likey app right here, but just like my unofficial Telegram is right here, Telegram for WhatsApp, and then I have 2 unofficial Telegram API apps that were made from the Telegram API, Telegram for WhatsApp, and then this one, My Stickers, but this one has spammed out with Bitcoin spam. It's really hard to get out of the feed. So for example, in that Telegram app, there's all this Bitcoin, and so I have to like scroll and scroll and scroll. Even if I just go to my contacts, okay, there's contacts. But my point is, it's plus 99999 of these fixed betting Bitcoin blockchain spam, and even in the settings, like in the secure settings of the Telegram app, where you can go in and customize the privacy and security, blocked users, they should all be blocked. But I can't even see the text, so that theme is terrible. So let's change the chat settings. Let's change the color. Let's see if I make it darker, will it show up? Green? We'll just try that, just so I can at least see the text. So privacy and security, blocked users, none. It should be. I want to block all of these. Block, 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 block. Now, as I'm highlighting, you're not seeing it being selected. Chats. These are not my chats. These are my contacts, but these are not my chats. So like you have to highlight it, press hard once. Blocked users. So those are the blocked users. The ones, all of these are blocked, but they're still plus, no they're not. It says blocked users, none. See? Blocked user. Added blocked user. I did not join any of these groups, and it's just, oh my god, it's so difficult. I had it set up once before. I don't even know how I configured the security for it not to have the blockchain spam. I have two-step verification on. I don't know if I should disable channel subscription, but then if I invite somebody to a new channel and I disable, I mean, if away for 6 months, allow channel subscription, delete my account. No. Cancel. You could delete your bots and website contacts, your sync contacts, suggest frequent contacts about the people you message frequently, as well as the inline bots you are likely to use. It will disable it if you deselect suggest frequent contacts. No previews of maps, link previews. I can turn that off. I don't know if that will help. Blocked users, none. Why is it saying I have none? See, I don't know which one of these are channels that I've made. Wait, what? Okay, where are my contacts? So if you go to contacts, oh, that's a person, it's a photo. This is where I've been uploading. It's a channel just to upload files to. And you can create any channel like that and auto back up your Telegram MP3s, OGGs, MP4s, JPEGs, compressed files, zips, any audio, any video, any image, any graphic, anything moving, a fish per se. You can archive in Telegram because they save every record of every transaction, every file, because of the nature of the, I guess it's the, I don't know what term to use it, but the way it's designed, this end-to-end encryption. But then there's the non-believers of the Telegram is not secure, and here's a very clear example of why Telegram is not the most secure. That is a big farce. Telegram has its nice features and its maybe not so nice features, but it is not clearly the most secure messaging app. If you can see all of this spam mail, when I have double authentication on, triple authentication, secure settings, I have private channels, private groups, private contacts. You see my contacts are very few. But you can lock it like that in the upper right hand corner with a lock if I just tap on it. So if I click on that particular, I can add files. So let's see, let's add some recent files just for whatever, they're probably already added. Sticker Madness. And this is a new channel, so I just am testing it. This phone line is a Google Voice line that's being used as a beta test telephone number for this Telegram app. But see, all of these, like, you can't even like scroll to the bottom. Like, you can't even get to the very bottom. Oh, I got to the bottom. So if I highlight, right? Now, because it's the dark mode, you don't see it. I need a high contrast to be able to see that. I don't want to download any of that. I just want to click on it. Click on it. Now do you see the green tick marks coming up? So I could just click. Keep clicking, but there should be a select all feature, but there isn't. I have a bad cough and I'm vaping. Isn't that lovely? Image library, I have volunteer support from a robot. Isn't that nice? I get a robot that works for free. Crypto my butt. So tick, tick, tick. I don't know any of these people, crypto traders. All I know that the Russians are invading my neighbors. Naven music. Ingress sounds familiar. I don't know if I want to save the messages. Free code camp. I need that. There's David Mars. Save that. Free betting tips. Click, click, click. 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 So 29 are clicked. Sarah Palin, without fail, Sarah Palin just shows up in my Telegram app every single freaking day. Okay, so let's trash. I want to delete 31 chats. Cancel. I want to... These are my options, okay? Now, do you see these are my options? 31 are selected. I can archive. I can mark as read. I could delete from the cache. Or I could just delete 31 chats. But as soon as I delete them, this is what happens. You scroll up to the top. and then watch as they come in. Selecting them again, select them again, select them again. It's an algorithm, delete. And then if I scroll halfway down and go halfway up, they're still moving. Select, 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 select. So I don't know which bot to use. I've heard Chain Fire Bottler is good, but I'm not sure. I just read up a little bit about it. I don't know how secure it is. Delete. What is this? Now I'm starting from the top, going down, going down, going down, going down. Sure odds, all these bets, all the football, sports betting, crypto trading, hypnocratic crap shows up always. Another 31 chats, delete. And then if I lock it, I wonder what happens next. Okay, so now it's locked. But there's still all of these. So where do I start? Now that it's locked, I want to see what happens. So I'm going to just select. This is part of the process. It's not fun when you're debugging your app solo and you're not in a GitHub repo. Sorry, I did not submit this app into the GitHub repo. NBA, hot picks, take free strong signals, whatever that is. Okay, so 2:40 and 2:40 p.m. some weird stuff came in. Delete 47 chats. Now, deleting the chats is not necessarily the same as deleting the cache. So, let's keep going. An anonymous bet, whatever the hell that is. Legit betting. Finance, crypto, export, App Geyser, that little logo right there is the culprit. They're the ones that mess up my app on Play Store and got my app banned because they didn't comply with a certain guideline pertaining to all browsers. So I don't remember if when I cleared them last time and I prevented it in my other Telegram app, because I have it on 4 different devices testing 2 apps, same API, different name, different design, on 4 devices testing on 3 different actual working telephone numbers. It's still a lot, but it's going down faster. Let's keep going. I want to see if I can clear it all up in this particular stream. I don't know for sure which channels we're reaching at the moment. I'm pretty sure some Facebook, some YouTube, some maybe Twitch, probably not Discord, maybe VK, maybe not, I'm not sure. But it's streaming live, I think, on 4 broadcasts. RTMP, RMTP, Shibu Inu. Oh my god, that Shibu. I was reading about the Shibu Inu, what it did to the market in the crypto world recently. Really good article I was reading about. We're getting the counts down. If you notice, they're not flooding in. Now, if I hit edit, that's going to do something different, but I don't want to lose the 28 I just highlighted that we're still going to delete. So we're getting closer. So if I hit edit, okay, that's just for the contacts. New message, new group, new secret chat, new channel. Arrow back. See, we're getting down. No. Yeah, we are. That was only 4 scrolls, so I'm going to keep going. Except for I want to see that about that Shibu Inu. Sometimes you have to manually go through and do this house sweeping, scraping, if you will. And a lot of these show up over and over again. $87. Oh my god. Wow, look at how close we are. We are so close. Who is this? Some bullshit. Some more crap. The icons can be deceiving. And you don't want to download or click anything you don't know. Leave channel. Leave channel. November 5th, channel created. Let's see here. Women's Haven. That's all cute. No, thank you. No, thank you, Shibu. Wall Street Traders got back in. And it's locked. Navid Music. Look at, we got it down to just my channels. Whoops. And I have screen lock and double authentication. So we just debugged WhatsApp, Telegram, Net. There's info right there. There's the phone number. Anybody wants to test the app, you're more than welcome. It's just like Telegram. It's just an alternative, slightly different design-wise, and just a little different. And so the username is @TGStickers for WhatsApp. So the invite link would be, and you can change the username. Let's see, where is invite link? How do I invite? Lock it. So I guess I would have to make a new channel. I already have channels. So for example, my library, image library. So those are things that have already been uploaded. And I just shared it with myself, I guess. What is this? Somebody did that on Snapchat as a real funny ass joke. It's not that funny because it's kind of makes me look like a retard. But I love to save GIFs. We got all kinds of GIFs here, which are really cool. So if I want to share that with WhatsApp, I just hit share. There's WhatsApp. Unlock it. And I'm going to share it to there. And then this is one of the best features that goes unhidden, like not really talked about so much, is the video editing feature in Telegram. I could add a little sticker. I'll just add some silly stickers. Let's play it. It's better longer. These are stickers that I made. Let's add another one. And the positioning is not the greatest, but it's just for right now. And then I can add text. Trip out. Add a caption. Hi. So I edited right before I sent it to WhatsApp. And then the thing that's great about WhatsApp is that you could export all my chats, like the few that I have, because this account is... I lost the artwork. When you swap devices and you don't keep synchronize which backup that you're using, if you're using a cloud storage of any kind, if you don't synchronize the WhatsApp backups, or if you remove the account that it was backing up to off the device or vice versa, it won't keep your original, like your profile image, your icon for the profile, the banner, the icon, etc., etc. So, like, for example, let's change the wallpaper. Let's make it, just for now, dark, a little darker. So, but back to what I was saying, you could, when you go to the three little dots in WhatsApp, right click and you hit more, you say export chat and include media, and then I'm going to export it into my Stickers of Club S where we just were. Confirm, fingerprint, and I'm going to save it to my image library channel that I use to upload and back up. So there it's exporting videos or chat. So just think of using the Telegram app as free cloud storage that you could control much easier than like all the other cloud storages that are like file managers that you copy and paste. This is the same thing, but at least you see it in a nice timeline without ads, without extra folders in the way like a file tree structure, the hierarchy of a file manager that you would normally have to navigate back and forth through, copy and paste, move, see your images in the list, sorted by date ascending or sorted by type or file size, etc., etc. So that is the neat thing about the Telegram. So Signal is really the way to go if you want like complete anonymity. I was told as far as the encryption type of encryption they used is a little different than Telegram's and WhatsApp. WhatsApp is just anything Facebook, Google, soaked in Google, I will pass. But we have to use our Google. We have to use the Google. Bye. I'll be back for more.